Ford Mustang GTD 2026 is not just another sports car, it is the boldest statement yet from Ford Performance, bringing together racing DNA with street-legal technology to create a machine unlike anything seen before. With a muscular design and aerodynamic body lines, the Mustang GTD 2026 looks aggressive from every angle. The wide stance, the sculpted hood, and the functional rear wing all point towards its racing heritage. This car is built to dominate tracks and roads alike. Its presence alone demands attention and respect, combining American muscle power with cutting-edge aerodynamics. The GTD 2026 is the future of performance cars. Under the hood lies a heart that beats with incredible strength. The Mustang GTD 2026 delivers jaw-dropping horsepower and thrilling acceleration, pushing boundaries of speed and control with its advanced suspension system, carbon fiber components, and track-tuned setup. This machine is engineered to provide razor-sharp handling at high speeds. Every turn feels precise, and every straight line becomes an adrenaline rush. The sound of the engine is raw and powerful, echoing the true spirit of the Mustang. Legacy. It is not just about speed. It is about an immersive experience that makes every drive unforgettable. The exterior design is aggressive yet refined. The large front grille and sleek headlights give it a futuristic look, while the sculpted sides and massive diffuser add to its racing identity. The aerodynamics are not just for looks. They enhance stability, downforce, and overall performance at high speeds. Every detail serves a purpose to maximize performance and efficiency while keeping the classic Mustang soul alive. The GTD badge symbolizes exclusivity and ultimate performance, making it a dream car for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Moving closer, you realize the Ford Mustang GTD 2026 is more than a sports car. It is a statement of power, innovation, and heritage, designed to rival European supercars. The GTD sets new benchmarks in performance and design. Ford has taken everything learned from racing and poured it into this street-legal beast. The result is a car that carries forward the Mustang tradition while taking it to heights never imagined before. With its lightweight build, advanced technology, and iconic design, this is a machine built for those who dare to push limits. The Mustang GTD 2026 will surely stand as one of the most iconic releases of its era. Whether on the track or on the streets, it will continue to turn heads and capture hearts. The combination of brute force, precision, engineering, and timeless design makes it a true legend in the making. The competition may be fierce, but with the GTD, Ford has created something that redefines American performance cars and secures its place in automotive history. If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to comments and subscribe.